Are you looking for a way to refresh and cleanse your body while maintaining your health? Look no further. In this video, we will take you through 20 power drinks that will help you achieve a healthier you. 1. Green tea. Starting off with a classic, green tea. Packed with antioxidants, this drink is known to improve mental alertness, relieve digestive symptoms and headaches, help with weight loss and boosts metabolism. 2. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple yet effective way to kickstart your day. Regular consumption of lemon water helps strengthen bones, promote oral health, and prevent anemia and kidney stones due to its citrate content. Lemon juice contains various antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins that boost brain and heart health. 3. Turmeric latte. Turmeric acts as a natural painkiller for joint and muscle aches because of its anti-inflammatory properties and helps improve bone health. Regular intake of turmeric milk with jaggery can help build stronger bones and reduce arthritic and osteoporotic pain in the knees, back, hips, etc. 4. Beetroot juice. Beet juice may boost stamina to help you exercise longer, improve blood flow, and help lower blood pressure. They are rich in natural chemicals called nitrates, which helps with blood flow and blood pressure. 5. Cucumber mint cooler. Drinking this water has a host of health benefits. To boot, it delivers antioxidants, supports healthy skin, and boosts bone health, while also keeping you hydrated. 6. Ginger lemonade. Ginger lemonade is a great immune booster and aids in digestion. Ginger has been found to lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent blood clots. Drinking lemon ginger tea regularly can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and liver disease. 7. Acai berry smoothie. Acai berry smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants and fiber. 8. Matcha smoothie. Matcha smoothie is a great energy booster and can improve focus and concentration. Matcha powder adds a boost of antioxidants and catechins to smoothies, which offers potential health benefits. These benefits include compounds that reduce inflammation, have anti-cancer effects, and support heart and brain health. 9. Pineapple banana smoothie. Pineapple banana smoothie is a tropical delight that can help in reducing inflammation. Eating a combination of these fruits can help boost your immune system, improve digestion, and provide energy. 10. Chia seed drink. Chia seed drink is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and can help in controlling blood sugar levels. 11. Apple cider vinegar tonic. Apple cider vinegar tonic is known for its weight loss benefits and can also improve gut health. 12. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte drink that can keep you hydrated and provide a refreshing experience. 13. Carrot ginger juice. Carrot ginger juice is full of vitamins and can boost your immune system. 14. Blueberry spinach smoothie. Blueberry spinach smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients and can improve brain function. 15. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is not only soothing but can also aid in digestion and reduce bloating. And in some cases, it has been seen to relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. 16. Watermelon hydrator. Watermelon hydrator is a refreshing drink that can keep you cool during hot summer days. Watermelon contains two key electrolytes, magnesium and potassium, which help to improve exercise performance and maintain fluids for hydration. 17. Mango lassi. Mango lassi is a delightful drink that can improve digestion and provide a dose of probiotics. Mango lassi is full of calcium due to curd, as it is good for bone health. Having mango lassi regularly boosts overall bone health including dental health. 18. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is known for its benefits in preventing urinary tract infections and promoting heart health. Cranberry juice is rich in anti-inflammatory antioxidants and key nutrients. It may also help manage some chronic conditions, like heart disease and rheumatoid arthritis. 19. Almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free alternative that is rich in calcium and can help in maintaining strong bones. It is nutritious as well as low-calorie. 20. Golden milk latte. Last but not least, a golden milk latte made with turmeric and cinnamon can help in reducing inflammation and improving overall health. There you have it, 20 power drinks that can refresh and cleanse your body for a healthier you. Try incorporating these drinks into your daily routine and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video with your favorite power drink. Stay healthy and refreshed.